Chapter 1. Intro.
Hey, beautiful people! Nicola here, and welcome back to the channel where we break down smart home tech and home assistant goodness without putting you to sleep. Today, we're looking at a few cool features in Home Assistant 2025.4, and yes, they're genuinely useful, especially if you're new and still wondering why your lights turn red at 3 a.m. for no reason. The link to the official release notes is in the description. And if there's a feature you're curious about, confused by, or just mildly obsessed with, let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to dig in.
Chapter 2. Areas Dashboard.
Let's kick things off with a feature I think is super helpful, especially if you're not quite comfortable building dashboards from scratch. The new experimental Areas Dashboard. This feature, which is basically Home Assistant saying, it's awesome, but still in beta, automatically generates a full dashboard based on the areas you've already set up in your home. It uses sections and tile cards to create a sleek, modern layout. No YAML-induced migraines required. Each room gets its own dedicated page, showing off its devices like it's on a smart home version of MTV Cribs. Lights, covers, cameras, they're all neatly grouped by type, so you're not stuck scrolling through a giant mess of entities. To create an Areas dashboard, head to Settings in Home Assistant. Open Dashboards from the main menu. Click the Add Dashboard button in the bottom right corner. From the pop-up menu, select the last option, Areas Experimental. In the new dialog box, give your dashboard a name. Choose an icon and adjust the URL path if you'd like. Decide whether the dashboard should be visible to all users or just admins, and whether it should appear in the sidebar. Hit Create, and you're done. Want to customize it? Of course you do. Open your new Areas dashboard, and click the pencil icon in the top right to enter edit mode. Now you can play around with everything on your dashboard. Move things around, hide stuff you don't need, like that humidity sensor from 2019 that's still online but hasn't done anything useful in years. And tweak the layout to your heart's content. Don't forget to save any changes you make. And just like that, you've got all your rooms in one place, clutter-free, clean, and full of good vibes. Simple, easy, and totally beginner-friendly.
Chapter 3. Clock Card.
Okay, I know it's just a clock card, but hear me out. It's clean, customizable, and surprisingly handy, especially on that wall-mounted tablet you promised you'd configure 3 months ago. You can change the size. Pick the time zone. Great if you like pretending you live in Tokyo. Show the seconds. And choose between 12-hour or 24-hour format depending on whether you're Team AM/PM or Team Military Time. Is it life-changing? No. Is it oddly satisfying? Yes. Link to the clock card documentation is also in the description.
Chapter 4. Other features.
Of course, there's so much more packed into today's release, including improvements to the Voice Wizard and Conversation UI, a smoother onboarding process with Home Assistant Cloud Backup, several new integrations and some nice template upgrades, and a new device hierarchy for energy management. Which one should we deep dive into next? Drop your vote in the comments. I'm listening. Well, reading, but you get it. And as long as I'm able, I'll gladly make a dedicated video to explore the feature you're most interested in.
Chapter 5. Thank you.
And that's it for today's Home Assistant update. If you're still watching, you've officially unlocked the Stay Till the End achievement. You legend! If you enjoyed the video, or even if you just came here to see what the new clock card looks like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It costs you nothing and makes the algorithm god smile. Not subscribed yet? Well, no pressure, but we do talk a lot about smart homes, techie things, and sometimes I make jokes that only a Zigbee hub would truly appreciate. And hey, if you'd like to support the channel and help fuel future videos, and maybe my caffeine addiction, you can do that too. Links to Patreon, PayPal, and Buy Me a Coffee are all in the description below. Every little bit helps, and I appreciate it more than you know. Thanks again for watching. Stay smart, stay curious, and may your automations always trigger on time. Catch you in the next one.